Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making Amaretti cookies. I have a medium bowl, and to it I've added 8 ounces of almond meal. To my almond meal I'm going to add 4 ounces of powdered sugar. With a fork I'm just going to mix it up. I have 2 egg whites, and to it I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond extract and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And with a fork I'm just going to give this a quick mix. I have the almond and sugar mixture, and I'm just going to add egg whites right to it. Give it a mix until it comes together as a soft dough. Have a little scoop. I'm just going to scoop out some of the dough and then roll it into powdered sugar and then place this on parchment lined baking tray. To make our Amaretti just a little bit more special, I have some Amarena cherries. This is sort of the Italian version of maraschino cherries. They're delicious and in a delicious syrup. And I'm just going to take my finger and make a little divot in each cookie and then add a cherry right on top. And these are ready to bake. Our Amaretti cookies are just out of the oven, just getting slightly golden brown. That's exactly what we want. I'll let these cool and I'll serve them right up. I have some of our Amaretti cookies. Let's give one a taste. Cookies nice and chewy, really nice almond flavor. And that cherry got a little sweet and a little tart, delicious. And there you have it. Well, that's how you make Amaretti cookies. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.